excited to meet you guys.
Captain Rich has advised me our flight time today will be 10 hours and 2 minutes to Houston, and Houston is reporting a very cold 40 degrees temperatures. Everyone has a winter jacket for Houston tomorrow morning. My name is Harry. I'll be serving you as purser on this flight, and it's a pleasure to have you on board this evening. We have 2 flight attendants who speak Portuguese and can be identified in the language.
We're excited to have you aboard, and we appreciate your attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. FAA regulations requires you to follow the instructions of our crew member.
Have your seatbelt
Comply
on
with
at all times. To fasten your seatbelt,
In a water landing, do not use the window exits unless advised by a crew member. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember, they may be behind you.
To retrieve more mashed potatoes.
If you're incapable or just not in the mood, please ask to be reseated.
No. Oh, Bill. A napkin is located under your salad fork. Make sure that the food is off your face before assisting